Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our regular EGM Securities update. I got Lawrence back with me. Lawrence, it's been an extraordinary day or a few days. I know you've got gold up there, but just to give people a bit of an idea, we've got the situation in the Middle East, the Turkish consulate, Erdogan speaking, uncertainty in the equity markets as well. So really, it's a geopolitical hotbed right now, isn't it? Which is ideal conditions for gold. I remember Ben Bernanke, who was in charge of the Fed chairman. When he was asked why do people hold gold, he said against the really very bad outcomes. So this is what the market is now dealing with. You a few weeks ago told me your target was 1238. 1238, yeah. We're getting closer to that target. Tell us what you're seeing here. Would you be advising people to get longer, or what would you be telling people, and what are you seeing?
So I think today we talk about the dollar only,
yes,
right? In terms of what is happening in terms of the global markets and what is happening in the dollar market, mostly U.S. equities and also gold. So now here we see gold gaining, right?
Yeah.
Remember there are two things to kind of look at when talking about gold. One is that the dollar was very strong.
Yes.
So we had to have a push upwards, because it had gained so much. There was risk, there was previous geopolitical risk in the market previously, but all that was going to the dollar as opposed to gold. And you kept asking me, okay, why are people not buying gold? Because during times of risk, people buy gold, but they were not doing it then. But now they are doing it.
Yes.
You see, this is now geopolitical risk because of Saudi Arabia, and also because you saw the S&P 500 is losing. Yeah, so we have that. We have the Brexit issue. Then we also have Italy, which also was going to see on the Euro USD chart. So now we are seeing a perfect market here, where we have political risk, or geopolitical risk, and then you see gold gaining because people don't want to. It's a safe haven.
It's a safe
haven. You don't want to.
It's the ultimate safe haven.
Exactly. You don't want to be caught, holding currencies that are going to devalue and things like that. So now this is now a perfect market where you see geopolitical risk and then gold is gaining in value.
So we're now like at a 3-month high.
Yeah.
This is quite important, I think, on the chart, isn't it? If you look at it.
The last time it was there was
in July.
It was July, yeah.
Yes.
And you remember sometime I told you about divergences?
Yes.
You can see this divergence here where the market is, just making a low here.
Yes.
And then here it's almost flat, but then you can see this RSI is kind of going up.
So the bullish signal, you can see there was a big move once it crossed, is
so
that the moving average?
Yeah, so the bullish signal was given around this price here. You see this price here?
Yes.
This is where you saw the bullish signal here.
And that's where people started buying, got that big surge.
Yes, you see this big surge here.
Yes.
So you're seeing here is that there's a lot of market activity, market momentum, but it's all getting sold by the market and it's building up this force. So it's either going to shoot up or kind of, lose. And there was nothing to tell us that gold was going to lose, because you see this around the 1200 zone there. Around 1189 there, around that zone, So the only move was upwards, by the way. Kind of a very simple trade to make.
Yes.
Yeah, a bullish on gold.
I wish everything was as simple as that.
Well, sometimes the market just gives you.